This is my review of these duckbill valve replacements for the Spectra. So I have the Spectra 1 and have used these many times. Depending on how long you breastfeed for, it's usually good to replace some parts. So I did get these when I was breastfeeding my second child, and overall work really well with the Spectra. They are very flexible silicone material, and I would definitely recommend these. They're really easy to put on the bottles when you are pumping and just make breastfeeding that much easier.